Hello guys, you're all welcome to my YouTube channel. These are my two boys right here, Amir and Amin. So they are going to be cleaning my makeup. Can you show them what we'll be using to clean the makeup? Okay, Ariane, show them what we'll be using to clean the makeup. Show them. Show them. We'll be using this Zaran Cosmetics Micellar Water. So where are the wipes? Are you ready to take off my makeup?
Yeah.
Take the wipes. Take the wipes. So Ariane will be cleaning this soft side. Well, no. So, okay, press it. You two press it. Okay, oh yeah. The first to finish cleaning, I'll give him or her. Did I just say him?
Music.
I'll give you guys a reward. You want music? That game in my phone. Okay. Oh yeah, Ariane, are you ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Ariane, you have not started though. I'm not removed the lash. Amir have started though, Ariane. You don't want to win this competition. Take your wipes. Clean my makeup. Clean this side. He has not even touched me. Do like this. Touch it. Huh? No, it's not pepper that entered my eyes.
It's what?
It's makeup.
It's makeup.
If you need more wipes, you let me know.
I want more wipes.
No. Finish with this one. Turn to the other way. Huh? Today we're going to finish Amira's wipe on your face. And you are doing great too. You might want to press it again. Okay, take yours. Lefty, do you want to stand up? Stand up. Stand up. Clean it. You guys are doing a great job.
Okay.
Yes, I think it's okay. It's okay. Thank you very much. It's okay. So let me see. Whoa, who is the winner?
Me.
Yeah, I didn't say you should go and clean the lens. See this boy. So we've come to the end of this video. Amir did well, but we have some eyeshadow here. Ariane, you did well too, okay?
There's pepper in the eyes.
There's pepper in the eyes. It's not pepper,
in
it's actually makeup. Or is it this white? No, it's the makeup. Okay, I tell them bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say subscribe
Bye.
to the channel.